Hey guys, this is the Garmin Index S2 Smart Scale, which was released late 2020. This is the white model. There's also a black model available. This scale runs on 4 AAA batteries and it has a battery life of up to 9 months. It supports up to 16 users. It's a Wi-Fi scale. So you set it up with a Bluetooth connection with your Garmin Connect app, and after that it works via Wi-Fi, so you don't need to have your phone nearby to push the measurements into the Garmin Connect app. And it also recognizes the user based on the weight, and well, if it kind of guesses wrong the user, you can tap on the scale to switch the user. So the most important feature, of course, is measuring the weight. It will show a weight trend on the device. It also calculates the body mass index, and I guess it tries to measure the body fat, body water, skeletal muscle mass, bone mass with some electro impedance based measurement or sensor system. Don't know too much about that yet, but I guess they are kind of semi-accurate, but of course not comparable to devices which you would use in a lab for measuring stuff like this. It also shows the weather on the scale. I guess that's kind of fun. If you are taking your measurements in the morning, you will see the weather on the screen of the device. So moving on with the unboxing, it's a well padded case. There's a quick start manual in here, and then the scale itself. It also comes with some additional feet which you can put on the device. You will need these if you use it on a soft surface, like on a carpet. On a hard surface you won't need those. Then it has the AAA batteries for the scale. So the device looks quite nice with the Garmin logo here, and on the bottom there's a switch to switch between kilograms and other measurement units. I'll just keep it on kilograms. There's a reset button on the bottom. It seems the feet are padded, and this is where you put batteries in. So the batteries go in here, and it should power up with all the batteries in the device. And now it's asking to get connected with the Garmin Connect app via Bluetooth. The quick start manual is available in multiple languages. There's also important safety and product information leaflet. All the information in English seems to be in these 2 pages. There's installing the batteries, setting up the device, and reading and recording measurements. So you need to remove your socks and shoes when using the scale so that the sensors can work correctly. And it also explains how to change the users. You can use the Garmin Connect app on your iPhone or Android to set this up. On the iPhone, in the Garmin Connect app, go to More, and then Garmin Devices, Add Device, and it already found the Index S2 Smart Scale. Pressing to connect on it. It's giving me a code I need to enter here. After inserting the code, I press on pair. Now it has paired and it asks a few questions. What's my daily activity? I think I'll press on medium. Enter your name or initials up to 4 characters. John. Next, it's setting up the Wi-Fi. It's asking for my Wi-Fi password. Now it's connecting to the Wi-Fi. It says that the scale is connected. You can see that the screen is changing here. Congratulations on your new scale. Make it even more valuable by setting up some of your new device's key features. Okay. So now the scale setup is complete. If I want to still add new people to the device, I can go under General and Manage People and invite connections. And under Appearance, there is the possibility to configure widgets, weight, trend, weather, advanced body metrics, so you can turn those off or on so that it won't display on the Garmin or scales display. You can also change your display name and change your user settings. If your height or other information is incorrect, you can go there and change it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and also consider subscribing for other sports technology videos, like videos on smartwatches. I will leave my Garmin Fenix 6 Pro unboxing video over here so you can check it out. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now.